Do you want to give me a C, Bosky? You've got monkey boots on tonight. Who's got monkey boots on? They are proper monkey boots. Do you want to help me sing along this song? Alright, you don't have to. You've got monkey boots on as well. You look beautiful in the monkey boots though. Pat looks a bit less sexy. This song goes like this, this is C. Oh! Put on your monkey boots! Alright! Get ready! Not yet! Are you ready? Here we go, help me out! 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, louder! Yeah. King Hammer like the monkey boots. King Hammer like the monkey boots. Johnny Reggae like the monkey boots. Johnny Reggae like the monkey boots. That's why I say, oh, put on the monkey boots. Yeah, monkey boots. That's why I say, oh, put on your monkey boots. Here we go, monkey boots. Okay, I would like to introduce you to this lady here. I won't do the joke about she's only 15 and all that stuff. Would you like to hear Wendy blow? I think they love you, Wendy. Would you like to hear Wendy blow? Are you ready, Wendy? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2. Oh, that's good. More, give them more. Don't tease them. Okay, she's done her bit. Now it's time for you to do your bit. Alright, let me hear all the girls sing. All the girls, come on. Oh! That sounds just like my wife shouting at me. Alright, what about all the men? Don't let me down, come on. I think they're winning. I think they're winning. Okay, alright, quiet it down, quiet it down. How about all together? The men and women together in a big love fest, okay? I can see he's already got a love fest going there. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you! Here we go! Let's try it 2 more times. One more time if you're really drunk.